Olivia.
She's Olivia, and more Aotearoa Winton School called Jacob ahau. I'm Jacob.
Welcome back to the N.E.W.S news for Ratu, the 1st of May.
Right on to te kupu or te wiki.
This week's word is Haratua.
Haratua is the Maori word for May.
Today is the 1st of Haratua.
We hope to hear you using it.
On to health and safety news. The clear sky UV forecast for today is high to low to moderate. Stay warm, Winton School.
On to today's notices.
Year 1 to 3 Kapa haka in the hall at morning tea today.
Can all band members please meet Miss Croad in the hall for practice at lunch?
While the circus is across the road, please do not go over to the field.
On to birthday news.
Happy birthday to Riley in room 6 and Harper in room 3. We hope you two have a fantastic day.
Okay, that's us for today.
Now, if you missed any notices, you can play the news again or read all the notices in the text box below.
But no, it's down here, Olivia. Below. From everyone here at the N.E.W.S team, ka kite a popo.
Harada, and see you tomorrow, Winton School.